Alright, it's time to import some products. Up to sourcing and product importer. Now we need to install the Chrome extension. Well, we don't need to, but it's a lot easier if we do. Get Chrome extension, add to Chrome. Shopmaster importer has been added to Chrome. Okay, now the way this works, this is a little different to the Below extension. So if we click on it, click on import products. Now what we can do is we can enter the URLs of the product one per line. For Amazon, we can enter the ASIN. I will show you how to do that. We've got the different Amazon marketplaces here. We can also import by category, but that's not going to allow us to choose our products one by one, and we really do want to do that. So let's go back here, import products. So if I go to AliExpress, okay, so I'm over here in the drop shipping center in AliExpress. So let's just find something to import. So let's import this toy microscope. Here's the URL. Add it there. I'll just do one more. Okay, this one's pre-order, so I won't do that one. I'll just take this, whatever it is. Oh, okay. Right, just take the URL again here. And let's import these. Imported 2, failed 0. Let's click on import list. And here they are. Now if I want to push these to my store, I've got to click this little icon here, but we can edit them first. So just like we edited the title before when I was showing you Below, we would do the same thing here as well. For now, I'll just tidy up a bit. And the description. So we can go ahead and edit this here. So this is showing the product in use, which is pretty good. And as you know, we would want to change this description. We want to write some sales text at the top. So, be an archaeologist, excavate a dinosaur from a plaster block. I don't quite know how this is going to look on the store yet, but we will see. Alright, I'm going to remove all this because it doesn't make a lot of sense in the English language. Cultivate patience and perseverance, but also feel the rainbow of the history. Okay. Alright, I'll just get rid of that. And this would have to be edited a bit as well, just to make it sound a bit better. Check out the images. Has a lot of images. That looks okay. Let's click save. We can see what this looks like on the store. Import to store, Shopify. Now which collection do I want this to go in? And now it's not recognizing the collections that I have on my store already. Anyway, let's just click to publish. Still doing it. The little circle here still going round. Alright, it says active listing. This does need fixing. We've got all this at the top here, which we don't need. Product type and collection still does not seem to be working. So I'm going to leave that for now. Only 6 images have been added, but that's okay because this is pretty good. We've got 6 good images here. Settings, Shopify tracks this product's inventory. No, it doesn't, because we're drop shipping. Under action, we've got inventory monitor on, price monitor on, and I'll go ahead and click publish. Publish successfully. So we're going to want to take a look at this. In fact, let's just go and check it out on the store. Alright, here it is. Now the images look all right, the title's okay, but it shouldn't be all in uppercase. So that needs to be changed. It just so happens that on the AliExpress listing, the title was all in uppercase, so that's how it came over. And I really don't like the way this is at all. It's just not formatted properly. It does need some work. But as we scroll down, we're seeing lots of images, and this is pretty good. Yeah, that's pretty good. It's just the description needs some formatting. Okay, let's see if we can do something about this. So it's starting to look a little bit better, but still needs a bit of work. But the thing is, you'll get used to it. You get the hang of it. You get practice with these things. When you use something for the first time and you're doing it for the first time, yeah, it's going to take a bit longer. But once you do this a few times, you get used to all the formatting. If it's going to import something with very poor formatting, you're going to need to put more work into it. It really is depending on the listing, on the dropshipping website, in this case AliExpress. So it depends a lot on how that's formatted on the listing and how it comes across. So if it comes across as a mess like this is, you're going to have to do some work to tidy it up. But as you can see, it's already starting to look a lot better. Now we don't have this product added to a collection yet because that unfortunately didn't work on Shopmaster. So anyway, what I'm going to do here is just add this to a collection just for the purpose of this video. And now I'm probably going to want to do a compare at price. So I'm going to put it at $8.94 or $7.94. Inventory, now I did change this already, but we don't want it tracked. So if you see Shopify tracks this inventory, you need to change that because you're drop shipping. So Shopify is not tracking the inventory. It's being tracked by the price and products monitor through Shopmaster. Down the bottom here, we've got the search engine listing preview. And we do need to change this title. We don't want it all in uppercase. But the rest of it is okay. Be an archaeologist, excavated dinosaur from a plaster block, features material resin, 6 assorted dinosaur styles sent randomly, etc., etc. So that would be okay. Just refresh this. Yeah, this is starting to look better here now, as we can see. Still needs work further down, but it's looking better. Okay, so we just imported a product from AliExpress. And if we want to import from Banggood, we would do the same thing. We take a URL, just like we did here. If we want to import from Amazon, we need to get the ASIN. So let me quickly show you for anyone who does not know what an ASIN is on Amazon or how to get it. Okay, so I'm just going to go to any listing. We scroll down, and what we're looking for is the product information. Sometimes it says product details, but basically round about here somewhere under product information or product details, you're going to find the ASIN, ASIN, and this is it right here for this particular listing. Every single listing on Amazon has an ASIN. You just need to scroll down the page and find it. So it's the ASIN that you use if you want to import a product from Amazon using Shopmaster. All right, I'll see you in a minute in the next video.